0.0167% to the entire crypto market.
What could your $1,000 investment in virtuals be worth by the end of 2026? And more importantly, how many virtuals tokens do you actually need to become a millionaire? In this video, we're going to calculate everything step by step using realistic targets, not fantasy numbers like virtuals to $100 tomorrow, because let's be honest, I know a lot of people love hearing Moon Boy predictions. It's exciting. It gets views, it gets likes, but this channel has always been about realistic price targets and probability-based analysis. So today, let's use the market share method to find out the actual potential of virtuals by the end of 2026. In fact, if you go back and watch some of my latest videos, you'll get a rough idea of my accuracy. Sadly, many people missed some incredible opportunities, from the ZEC pump to the hype breakout and many others. Before we move ahead, I'd really appreciate it if you could smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. A lot of effort goes into making these realistic videos with high accuracy analysis. And if you check all of my social media pages, you'll see that everything is shared completely free, with a strong track record of accuracy. The problem is that realistic predictions usually don't get the same views as, "This coin will do 1,000 times tomorrow." So I genuinely need your support. Please like, share, subscribe, and follow us on all social media platforms. Your support helps us continue doing this for the long run and keeps this community growing stronger together. Let's get started. So at the time of this recording, Virtuals has a market cap of approximately $365.3 million. Meanwhile, the total crypto market cap is sitting around $2.19 trillion, which means Virtuals is currently contributing just 0.0167% to the entire crypto market. Now that's actually a very small number, and that's important because it gives us a baseline to work with. Now let's assume a conservative scenario. Let's say the total crypto market cap grows to somewhere between $3.5 trillion and $4.5 trillion during the next major market expansion. Not impossible, not crazy, just a reasonable projection. Now, if Virtuals simply maintains its current market share of 0.0167%, then its market cap would rise to approximately $585 million on the low end, and around $752 million on the high end. Now, let's convert that into price. Based on the current circulating supply, that would put Virtuals somewhere around 89 cents to $1.14 per token. And interestingly, if you've been following my chart analysis on social media, I've already mentioned that the maximum chart target is around $1.08. So the market share model and the technical analysis are both pointing toward a very similar range, which gives additional confidence to the projection. Now remember, this is not a guarantee. It's simply where the probabilities currently point. So let's talk money. Now, before we talk about how much money you could potentially make, let me quickly tell you about our VIP group. Inside the group, we share a lot of scalp setups for both spot and leverage trading. We also share detailed roadmaps like the one you're seeing today, which help members plan their strategies well in advance. More importantly, these roadmaps can help protect you from major market crashes. For example, in the past, we've successfully warned members before some significant market drops. Here's how we predicted the October crash. And here's a more recent example where we advised VIP members to reduce risk around May 22nd and 23rd. You already saw what happened afterward. The market dumped.
Unlike many other groups, we don't charge thousands of dollars. There's also no lock-in period. You can join and leave whenever you want. The basic plan starts at just $6. The mid plan is around $15, and the elite plan is approximately $30. If you'd like to evaluate my accuracy, simply scroll through our Patreon posts and previous public calls. I've publicly shared setups on SWI, ZEC, Hype, and many other projects. You can review them yourself and make your own judgment. Of course, public setups don't contain the same level of detail as our VIP content. That's why I highly recommend joining the group, especially because June is shaping up to be a very important month. And if you time things correctly, the next 2 to 3 months could present some incredible opportunities. However, membership is limited. Our most popular plan, the mid plan, currently has only around 11 spots remaining. The elite plan has approximately 19 spots left. Once those spots are filled, the group will be closed to new members. We do this because if too many people follow the exact same strategy, it becomes less effective.
So if you're interested, don't wait too long. Let's assume you invested $1,000 around our accumulation entries below $0.46. If Virtuals reaches the lower target range, your investment could grow to around $2,000. And if it reaches the higher target range, you could potentially be looking at around $2,500. Now I know, some people watching this video are probably disappointed already. You're thinking, wait a minute, where's the 50 times? Where's the 100 times? I can already see those comments coming. But this channel isn't about selling dreams. It's about realistic expectations. And realistic expectations make real money. Now let's answer the question I get asked all the time. How many Virtuals tokens do you actually need to become a millionaire? Let's use the most optimistic target from today's analysis. Assume Virtuals reaches $1.14. To have a portfolio worth $1 million, you would need approximately 877,192 Virtuals tokens. And at today's price, that would cost roughly $486,000. Which means becoming a millionaire from Virtuals alone is not as simple as buying a few $100s worth and hoping for magic. The numbers matter, market caps matter, token supply matters. And that's exactly why I always encourage investors to look at probabilities instead of emotions. Now look, I know this video might upset some people, because in the absolute best case scenario we're discussing today, we're talking about roughly a 2 times to 3 times opportunity. Not a 100 times, not a 500 times, not some crazy thumbnail prediction. But it is what it is. I'm not claiming 100% accuracy. Nobody can predict the future with certainty. I'm simply sharing what I currently see on the charts and what the data suggests. And in my opinion, there is more than a 75% probability that Virtuals already printed its major cycle top earlier in 2026. Again, that's just my opinion. I could easily make a video saying, Virtuals to $50, Virtuals to $100, and probably get way more views. But that's not what this channel is about. This channel is about realistic targets, risk management, and helping you make informed decisions. So if you found value in this video, please smash that like button, share this video with your friends, and subscribe if you haven't already. Also, don't forget to follow me on all my social media pages. I regularly post chart updates, entry zones, warning signals, and market insights there before they make it into videos. All the important links are available in the pinned comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.
Digital, no paper thrills. Fortunes in my wallet, got that blockchain skill. Making money at the speed of light, feel the thrill. Mining